Okay guys, this is a real CAD CAM solution. This is the series 3 of civil approval plan. This is the last video of this chapter. Today we're going to finish this approval plan. If you're not watching this both last tutorial, please go to the description and get to the link and watch that video and come to this video at last. Okay. Even we just finished overall ground floor, first floor and roof plan. Also elevation section also we finished. Today we going to create a legend schedules detailing like that. Okay, we just go to this video. Here I first of all I just text to this words on elevation and sectioning. First of all I just copy this text. First of all I just go to copy this text. Here, and this is on my elevation. Give the name as elevation. I just increase the text size. I almost 1 feet 9 inch size, I think. Okay, then this is a section. I give the name is section AA like this, because I assumed this AA section, that's why I give the name is section AA. Okay, the balance detailing is almost like this. I just go to copy this all text, but you must do all the text on click and write the leader option you see. Here why are you choosing, because this is the same option, that's why I just going to copy this area. Okay, this is my floor finish. I just want to change this size. It does it 6 inch. Sorry, get 9 inches is almost correct. Okay, and then same as well as floor concrete. Just copy over there to the top of the first floor. Okay, then RCC lintel sunshade like this. I am going to move this on my lintel sunshade area like this. Okay, and VW RC roof slab concrete is the top of the portion of the structure. I just move to top towards the roof section. Yes, nice. This is almost I just deleted. And the parapet CM, just copy over the parapet area. Here's come to the parapet area. This is weatherproofing course. RFF come to the top of the roof. Just here comes towards this. Okay, it's coming. The BW 1:73, so is come to here. Here I choose this parapet wall. Here it's the parapet wall. I just draw to the parapet wall, and then here's a brick in centimeter. Just move to the wall. This is lintel sunshade area. I just going to the draw towards the parapet wall. The height of the parapet wall is 3 feet. It's a 3 feet. And here I comes to like this. Then here the wall is continually due to the parapet wall on top of the wall. Then this is the wall portion. Then this is the wall portion. Okay, this is my parapet area and this is my brick. This is my brick section. I'm going to copy this. Sorry, I'm going to move this because copy is just for an duplicate product. That's why I choose the brick. 1:7 ratio. Okay, it's finished. Here's some applied hatch command. Give hatch. The hatch I already told you in the last video. The hatch enter. I use this brick. Okay, the scale is minimum value 0.4 I think. Okay, it's finished. Then I go to measure dimension of the area and dimension of the section. So go to the linear, take to the dimension. This is my basement and this is my floor and this is my top of the roof area. This is the floor height and this is my ceiling thickness, concrete thickness, as well as same as here also the same height of the floor area. Then this is also as well as same, and this is my parapet wall. Okay, I just give this to the dimensions. This detailing is almost over. Here I'm going to draw the footing, column details and the footing. The stair is almost seamless. He has not come to the stair, so I just draw to this column detail only. Then I go to create the area details. This also, the area details are almost equal to this. Here I just to copy and just change the name. Okay, I click to this area and click to the copy option. Go to place it here, as well as just go to copy the column detail also. These separate one also created to my old project. Here I just go to copy because I already explained how to draw the approved plans in my first video, first series. If you are not watching this, go to watch that video. Here I just go to copy and just change my models also. Okay, this is my column details. It's not scale I presented. It's unfilling almost okay. It's 6 feet. Here I choose 6 feet. Okay. Here I choose this length is only 5 feet across the breadth, and the line is also changed. So you must take the thickness here 6 inch and that opposite side is 6 inch. 6 inch, and this is also 6 inch. Okay, here's completed. Then offset 6 inch thick of this area. Here also come towards the 6 inch. Then go to delete this area. Just join towards the top of the column. Go to draw like this and go to draw like this. So here's over to my column section area. If you draw a new plan, you must draw towards your own idea and just follow your structural plan. Okay, here I just use my old structural plan, that's why I just copy like this. But you must first study the structural plan and then you come to draw like this. Okay, yes, I take the total dimension. It's 6 feet almost. It's not a matter. 6 feet is around it. Okay. This is my same as well as, so I did not change anything. Here I change this area of site. This is my, first of all, my site area is I just choose this dimension is 30 feet cross 40 feet, I think so. Here's 30 cross 40. I think this is a 1200 square feet presented here. So my plinth area is 1200 square feet. 1200 square feet. Okay, and my land area is 1600 square feet. That land area is the area of site square feet. Okay, then porch area, I did not use porch, so I just going to delete this. I don't want porch. Area of open area is this present of open area. Here's a present lot of open areas, like a stair like that, but here's I do not present her, so that's why the open area also I'm going to delete. I don't want this open area, so these two areas only I just present it towards, and I'm going to square feet change it to square meter. Here's 1 square feet is equal to 1 cross 1 square meter is equal to 3.28 into 3.28. so here I going to take my calculator. 1 square meter is equal to 3.28 into 3.28. It's a 10.75. You just imagine, you just take this, and I going to square feet this 1600 divided by 10.75. so here's my square meter, 148.83. This comes towards 148.83, and this is my square meter of my plinth area. I'm going to my land area and go to my plinth area 1200. I just choose like this, 1200 divided by 10.75. It's a 111.62. It's a 111.62. so here I completed my area detail. Here completed column detail, and then I just choose this also same as well as, so I'm going to copy like the rainwater harvesting, because this is a very easy one, and this is our own style, so that's why we use this. Just going to copy this and place it here. Okay, this journey schedule. Okay, this is the journey schedule. This journey schedule also I just copy, and I just going to text my own way. Okay, we going to copy this journey schedule, place it here, and I'm going to text it. It's a empty main door opening, and then the window section. Okay, my main door is 3 feet 6 inches cross 7 feet. This is correct. Door also this is correct. Opening okay. Opening here not presented. Window 4 feet cross 4 feet, not 4 feet 6 inches. My all window is 4 feet 0 inch. This window is come to kitchen area. This is okay. This ventilator is okay. Here where I choose, here I don't mention the areas like this, so I'm going to copy. Here I go to text the all mentioned area. and this is my door. This is also my door. So I'm going to copy all like this, as well as this, as well as this. Okay, this is my door. Sorry, here I get some mistake. Main door is presented here. Here, and this is my door just. Okay, okay, and this is my window. So I'm going to choose my window. This is my window. I'm going to copy all like this. Here apply some window, here not presented. Okay, this is my window. Here I choose to copy the mid area of master bedroom. Okay, it's presented. So this all of us just placed here. Copy over here the first floor. Just like this, then copy this to here, because same plan as continues to the top area. Okay, we finished all over like this. Then go, and this is my title block. I give to the heading. This is my top of the heading area. Go to extend this and go to extend this. Okay, here I presented this plan. First of all, I just move this, move towards this area like here, and also move to this area like to the right side. Okay, then I go to move this plan at down to the title block. Okay, because it's disturbing to another parts, that's why I choose this. I'm going to place over here, and then I choose to these elevation sections. Move to this area. Okay, it's really nice, very nice. It's really amazing. It's okay. And then I choose this my area detail. I just go to scale like this area. It's 3 times big. Move this. Okay, I'm going to edit something else. It comes to nearby, and here also comes to nearby. This also. Okay, this one has finished. I just go to move this to interior the area. Then go to scale, a small thing, 0.95. Some this also some not smaller, 0.6. Okay, this one is nice, very very nice. Go to move to this corner area, and this journey schedule. I go to schedule like this. Go to true. Okay, this is nice, really nice. And this also this all dimension also we just move like this, because we copy the previous plan, that's why. Okay, this is really amazing. And go to the structurals here, and go to draw the rainwater harvesting also here. Okay, I just scale towards like this, because it's very very small. Okay, I just put scale. The structure is very small. Here presented over. Okay, he has almost finished the star detailing. The circuit tank detailing is almost same as well as my plan. Here I put the owner's name and text name is also same. So you must draw like this, you must text like this, you must draw site plan like this, as well as same method. This is the very very important notes of civil approval plan, because the approval plan is must of to create buildings before to get permission of the panchayat, local panchayat or municipality. So our site engineer bought the permission of the government, so we choose this draw this approval plan. That's why this is very very important. So every civil engineer should must know how to draw a CAD, how to draw a structural plan, how to draw a civil approval plan, and site marking plan also. So keep watching our tutorial videos. We just upload so many tutorials of like foundation plan, marking plan, every detailing also. So please watch, please subscribe to our channel, keep watching always. We just give the new tutorial of every updatings, designs and drawings. So please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please give the like, and if you have doubt anything, please give the comment and share this video. Your friends also get some important things like this, so they also want to learn this civil work like. So please share your friend circles and your college groups. Okay, so please subscribe our channel. This series almost completed like this, so please subscribe our channel. Keep watching our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.